Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your device meets compatibility and permissions are enabled because widgets need access to data and refresh. Once done, open the widget gallery and locate the top widget. This is the first actionable step. Add it to the home screen by tapping Add or dragging it into place. Make sure to place it where you can interact easily, then pause to observe initial loading. This prevents redistributing items later and speeds up the following configuration. Now configure the widget so it serves you. Tap the widget to open settings and choose size, data sources, and refresh interval because these control performance versus battery use. Once configured, pick a layout, compact, medium, or expanded, and preview it. This helps you decide which information is most valuable. Make sure to link accounts or feeds and set a sensible refresh rate, typically between 15 and 60 seconds, or opt for manual to conserve resources. To finish, lock the widget position if the launcher allows it, then test taps and update triggers to confirm interactivity. This ensures smooth daily use. If the widget shows stale data or fails to load, restart the device first, because many issues clear with a reboot. If problems persist, verify app permissions and background refresh. Finally, reinstall the widget app as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the widget cache before reinstalling to preserve settings and speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.